Welcome to a short, sweet, and potent breathwork practice. To get started, you'll want to be seated in a safe environment. Also, as we're breathing, we're going to be moving our spine because breath is movement. And in order to breathe bigger, we must open and expand our chest, round our spine as we exhale and blow out to the bottom. So we will start with movement to breath. Deep breath in as you open. You can let your hands open, shoulders spread. Exhale, hands together. Pressing, rounding the spine. Inhale, open. Exhale, forceful, strong. Blow it out. Two more. In, open. Blow, blow, blow out. One more, strong. In. Exhale, forceful, strong, good. Slow breath, and then relax. Roll the shoulders, move the neck. Now we're going to get into a rhythmical breath, equal part in and out. In and out. In and out. In nose and out. Or in through the lips and out. It's up to you. And out. Let's go faster in, faster out. In and out. Deep and out. Twice as fast. Slow it down. Slow it down. Two more in. Blow to the very bottom, out, forceful. Last breath in, hold it. Another sip, hold it. Exhale, gentle, and hold at the bottom. Sealing the lips, sealing the lungs, no breath in, no breath out, and relax. Swallowing some spit saliva can help calm the body. We're only here for 10 more seconds, not going too far or too long, not pushing. We're really trying to find ease. We're working with our body, not against our body. We're working with our nervous system, finding nervous system regulation through stimulation. 5 more seconds holding, 4, 3. Everyone together, blow out, out. Tall, deep breath in, hold it. Another sip, hold it. Hold it. Strong fists, arms, shoulders, spine coming into your center. Even your face muscles can get involved down to your Kegel pelvic floor muscles. 3, 2, let it go. Really let it go. Deflate. Shift your weight. Let this oxygen circulate back through your body, rolling the shoulders, opening and closing the hands, shifting, adjusting your seats. And then shifting into stillness, shifting into relaxation. For as long as feels good until you're ready for another cycle, another round. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.